welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today we're going to talk about some super simple, creative kitchen organization ideas. Recently, my friend Kristen messaged me this picture of her pantry. She knew she wanted to refine the organizing systems, and she wanted to take one wall of it and turn it into a mudroom. When I came over to her house, I brought a bunch of Dollar Tree bins so we could make the final touches on the space. Hey guys, this is my friend Kristen, and she is so organized, and I love her pantry. Can you tell them what you did?
Absolutely. We were trying to solve the mystery of where to put a mudroom in our house, and we kind of wanted it tucked away. We didn't want it out in an open space, so my husband actually came up with the great idea of trying to put it in our pantry. So we took down half the shelves in our pantry, I guess just really a quarter, and we put it in there. Such a great use of our space. Our kids can use it. We don't have to worry about hanging coats up. They can do it themselves, and then it is tucked away so when guests come over, it's not out in the open.
This is what I love about making organizing work for you. Now she's got a place for her purse, all of the kids' shoes. It's super easy to access, and she even went as far to put a mail organizer on the side of the wall for all of the paperwork and important documents that she needs for school. I also love how she maximized the wall space with command hooks for her keys. She says the space feels way more open, and she doesn't even miss the extra shelves in the pantry. She's got tons of Dollar Tree bins in there. She's got snacks for her kids that are easy to access. And all of those items in my favorite square bins from the Dollar Tree. Those are like rare, majestical unicorns. They can be kind of hard to find, so when you find them, scoop them up. I also love how she's taken plastic food storage containers and uses them for her sugars and all of her baking supplies. She said it's a system that her mom used to use, and it's always worked super well for her family.
So these are our dirty towels. This is where I can just throw the ones I've used in here, and then I can take the whole basket up to the laundry room, which is upstairs, to just do a load of dirty kitchen towels. So this is the grip stick. It is a great way to seal and keep your big bags extra fresh. All you do is you fold it over, and then you take this yellow piece and you slide it in, and then it seals it airtight.
That's airtight. You can put these in the freezer too, right? With all your stuff?
Yes, you know, the freezer, I use them for my like bags of shredded cheese that are awesome in the refrigerator as well.
That's awesome. I am 100% buying some of those. She completely sold me. I found them online, and I will link them down below for you guys. Something else I love about this space, right next to the door in her pantry, she has a meal planning guide. This is something that she got off of Etsy, but you could easily make something like it. And she takes all of her main recipes and wrote them on index cards that she saves. I love this system because half the time I feel like I'm like, wait, what do I like to cook again? But because she has all of these cards, she can say, hey, we haven't had chili in a while, and throw it up on the board. I think this is such an amazing and organized way to do things. One of my most favorite parts of the pantry was actually one that was hidden in the back, but we brought it to the front so she could use it more. And that's a jar of conversation starters for dinner time. So you can ask your kids questions. I thought some of these were so beautiful. What an amazing testament of intentional parenting. It was a free printable. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. I thought this idea was so awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video and it inspired you to make some really easy changes in your space to make a system that works for you and your family. If you are brand new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I am all about getting organized, making it easy, and doing it on a budget. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye. Kristen's picking up her son from school, and I've totally just like taken over the pantry and left a huge mess on her kitchen island. Sorry, Kristen.